Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to go through and do some noodling on some 50-cent coins and see if we can find anything worthwhile and worth keeping. So I did grab some coins earlier in the week and was able to find some of the Mabo 50-cent coins, which I was quite happy about. And I'm hoping that some of these rolls might also contain some of them. So might be a slight double bar there, but it's fairly worn, 1979. So I won't worry about that one. Let's have a close-up look at this one just to see if it's post-mint damage or not. There's a bit of something going on around the two. I think I'll take a closer look at that one later on. It might be a planchet error. I don't know if you can see it there. It sort of looks like, yeah, probably is a planchet error, but I'll have a closer look at that later on. So I'll put that one aside. Now, I think that is an error coin there. Put that over here. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you think it is a planchet error or you think it's a post-mint damage. I'd be keen to hear your thoughts on that one. Plenty of 2015s in that first lot. '83 and '82. Neither a fat letter or an incused, so looks like there is a bit of doubling around that edge there, but I think that's a fairly common thing to happen to a 50-cent coin. But I'll keep it aside and I'll have a little closer look at that one again. I like going through 50-cent coins because they don't strain your eyes too much. You can see the dates fairly easily. Still looking for the 2010 rotated error coin. I still haven't found one of those. Onto the third roll. If I can get it open. Oh, there we go. Found another one. There's the Marvo. So it looks like they're starting to come through in these rolls that I'm getting right now. So they're in nice condition. Probably haven't really even been through many people's hands as yet. They might be straight from the security company. So yeah, 1.4 million of these minted. So definitely a keeper. Keep each and every one you can find. I'm fairly happy with what we've found already, so that's a fairly good start. We've got 3 coins put aside, and I think we're 3 rolls in, so alright, cool. We got another State Federation coin. This is the Tasmanian one. Quite a difficult one to find, so yeah, really happy to find that one as well. There's a few dollars worth in that coin, so it's quite a nice condition as well. Oh, going well. Try and move through these rolls a bit quicker. $76. Plenty of 2016s coming through this roll. 2 76s in a row. Another 2016. Quite a nice 82 there. Yeah. Oh, another state coin. We got a Western Australia Federation, so another 2001. It's good tonight, good finds. Oh, 93, so there's a low mintage. 1 million of these made, so it's another keeper. So we're doing really well tonight. So yeah, make sure you rotate each and every coin. You never know which one's not going to be rotated the right way. These are fairly difficult to find as well. The bicentenary coin, but this one's not in the best condition, so I'm not going to keep it. I really don't like this design. Alright, let's keep going. I've kept 6 coins aside now. $71. Two of these. It's a little bit nicer than the one before. We've got another state coin. Doing really well tonight. We've got Queensland. Gee, if we keep going, we might get one of each of them. So we've got 3 of them, 3 state coins so far. I think let's try and put them into the picture here. We can see what we've found. Zerocon. Why did I keep this one? Oh, yeah. Doubling. Plenty of 2016 coins coming through. There's a royal visit. Not in the greatest of shape, that one. And 2017. Alright, let's do another roll. '94, 2005. 1980, Doesn't look to be a double bar, that one. Plenty of 82s tonight. I think we've got time to go through one more roll. Keep hoping every time I turn over a 2010 then it's going to be slightly rotated, but not the case. Trying to get through them nice and quick. Alright guys, I think that's it. So yeah, that's what we found today. Fairly good haul for literally a few minutes. But not very happy with those 3 federations in the Mabo there. And I'll certainly have a look to see if those coins there are errors or not. And we've got the 93 there as well. So not very happy with that. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. Thanks for watching.